How are you feeling, Diane?
Do I look like I'm feeling good?
Feeling better?
I'm about to go to sleep. But I don't want to. I like touching this side.
You need to take your prenatal vitamins and showers. Make sure you get as much as you can inside of it. Try to get back on my nutrition. Well, fluid drinking is important. From 6 to 8 ounces. But you
Is
drink
it
it
still painful?
any liquid stuff. Like I'd stay away from steroids.
When we have two people sitting in here with no babies.
Go ahead and do anything you want to do to him because, you know.
Put that on, Rex. Can you say hi to Grandma?
Well, he has changed a lot from yesterday.
He's a real pretty baby.
Yeah, he is.
Real
His head
pretty
looks
baby.
better. And
Yeah, the molding goes down real fast.
let's get enough closer here. See if I can get this.
He looks real good.
He likes that pacifier, doesn't he?
Gets very mad if he does not have his pacifier. You remember that. She shows you this film when you're 21 years
Yeah,
old.
right.
But
Boy, he's pretty awake.
He's very alert most of the time. Just looks around. Isn't fussy. Doesn't cry a whole bunch when you do things like this. I'm a good boy.
Why don't you turn around and give us a look? You took care of him all day yesterday?
He's my baby too. He did real good.
is that not the understanding that you have? Here it is.
Well, we really appreciate all the hard work, too.
You're welcome.
It was very satisfying to know that somebody was with him, you know, all the time.
My reflex to shut down.
They said Dr. Bashane was in here a lot, too, yesterday.
He was in here quite a few hours in the morning. That's the critical time when you're watching at first, but the baby he was determined to do well on his own.
How long now will he stay in this? Is this just a warmer?
This is a warmer, and also we can observe him better without, if we put him in an open crib, he'd have to have covers and a t-shirt.
Yeah, right.
So this is better for observation.
Mhm.